Today's video is a short but a good one. We're talking new year, new skincare, new organization, and a little bit of decor. And what I'm most excited for is my brand new little workspace in my bedroom, which will help me stay organized and focused from here on out. Thank you so much to Tula for sponsoring this part of my video. I've been hearing about the skincare line for years now. Everybody's been raving about it. So when they reached out to me, it was a no-brainer to share it with you guys because I know you guys will love it just as much as I do. I've always been taught to take good care of my skin. I've actually been slacking a little bit this past year. So in 2022, we're getting back on track. And the best way to do that is with Tula Skincare. I'm gonna walk you guys through what I like to do in the mornings for the last couple of weeks, and I've been loving it. So Tula is a doctor-funded skincare and wellness brand. 100% of their products are clean and clinically effective, plus formulated with probiotic extracts and superfoods to feed your skin the good stuff. So I start off by using the cult classic purifying face cleanser. This stuff is really good, you guys. It removes dirt and makeup without stripping your skin. This will gently exfoliate to reveal glowy, radiant skin, and it'll help maintain the skin balance with probiotic extracts. Next, I'm using one of the most important steps in any skincare routine, and that's moisturizing. I'm using the 24/7 hydrating day and night cream. I am loving this so far. It deeply hydrates, nourishes, and locks in moisture, maintains skin balance, and it helps smooth the look of fine lines and wrinkles. I usually like to use serums at night, but this is a good one to use during the day. It's the Brightening Treatment Drops, the triple vitamin C serum. It's not sticky at all, and it brightens the look of dull skin. I definitely don't leave the house without having my sunscreen on. This is the Protect and Glow Daily Sunscreen Gel. It doesn't leave any kind of white cast on your face. It's not greasy. It gives you a little glow, which is perfect to wear underneath your makeup. They don't get it, babe. No, they don't get it, babe. They don't know about us, babe. For days where I want that no makeup look, I will put on the Filter Primer, which is a blurring, moisturizing primer that's sheerly tinted. It creates a radiant base for makeup, or you can apply it and wear it as is with no makeup over top, because it does even out your skin tone instantly and gives you that blurring effect, leaving your skin with that filter-like finish. Alright, for the final step, I love using this Rose Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. You can wear this under your makeup or over your makeup. This will deeply hydrate under your eyes and it'll nourish your skin. It firms, tightens, and helps reduce the look of fine lines and wrinkles, and it gives you this really nice cooling effect all day long. If you've been wanting to try Tula out, now is the time. Use my code Candis for 15% off your order at tula.com. Alright, on to some organization. We're going to be reorganizing the shoe closet near our front door, and since we don't wear shoes in our house, we always have to have some kind of closet where we can put our shoes, mainly for the kids because their rooms are upstairs. The one we had before was just one we got from Amazon. It was really inexpensive. It lasted about 4 years before it literally fell apart. So this one from Target is a lot more sturdy, heavy duty. It's a lot more taller, holds more shoes. So hopefully this fits perfect in our closet so I can stop looking at that huge pile of shoes. To keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this. If you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just on to the most exciting part of this video. We are going to be putting together my brand new desk and chair for my bedroom. I've always wanted a little space just for me to edit my videos, respond to emails, write in my planner, and a place where I can do my voiceovers. I really just wanted my own cute little space for myself. I am the only girl in the house, so I feel like I deserve it. And since we wanted something super inexpensive, we went to IKEA and we found this desk and chair. This desk is called the Lasabo desk, and we were really surprised with the quality. It's solid wood, I believe, and it's really sturdy and really pretty. It was the exact color and style that I wanted in my room. As you can see, this is what I was doing before. We had this bench in our bay window, and I would sit here and do my voiceovers because there was carpet and I can close the door, and I would edit my videos here a lot. So we're gonna clear the space out, vacuum, and then we're gonna move my desk in here, and let me tell you guys, I love how it turned out.
Damaged. One man's trash is another man's baggage. Slow you down, I ain't going nowhere.
Since we're putting a desk in our room, I didn't want it to stick out like a sore thumb, so I needed it to be really minimal, and I needed it to go with the color scheme and feel of our room. Everything that I'm going to be decorating and organizing my desk with today is from Target. If it's not, I'll probably put it up on the screen or down below in the description box. I wanted a nice, neutral, airy feel that was still kind of minimal, but I still wanted some function on top of my desk as well. I'm bringing in a lot of earthy tones and different textures on top of my desk, which will definitely help me clear my mind and stay focused.
Take my hits, pound for pound. Promise I'll let you down. One more shot, one more round. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose. Don't step on my rose. Step on my rose. Step on my rose. You told me situations left you lonely. Tried to give you my best shot, but my best don't mean a lot. Bullseye always miss, that's why.
I didn't want just a desk full of decor that wasn't functional, so I decided to pick up these really pretty pins that kind of go with the color scheme, and I'm putting them into this really cute vase that I found at Target as well. So everything kind of flows, but I can still use that little vase for all of my pins. Another thing that's really pretty is this marble coaster. It's pretty, it looks like decor, but I can actually use it for my drinks.
Believe me. So one more shot, one more round. Take my hits, pound for pound.
Along with my pillow, I'm gonna add in my favorite blanket from Barefoot Dreams. Here's a quick look at my planner. I love the simplicity of this one. I got this from Target. I love that it's bright and fun and girly. The month pages are actually big enough to write in, and I love that there's a week on 2 pages, so each day you have a lot of space to plan out. I love bringing in color with little things like my planner, water bottles, my phone cases, even my laptop case is pretty colorful, but other than that, I love my neutrals.
Step on my rose, step on my rose, step on my rose.
that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Check the description box for 15% off your Tula order and all of my other links down below. And I'll see you guys on the next one.